It's like I try to do something, but it looks like tentacles. Oh, don't mind me. Let me just grab my pink Stanley. It's not even that pink on camera. It's my favorite shade of pink, the lightest shade of pink. This is insane. Oh, see, I can't do any of this. I can't do hair. I can't do like. Okay, number one, look at this lit ass t-shirt I bought from Walmart. I'm so ghetto. Like, I would survive in prison, I think. I'd be doing like fucking arts and crafts all day. I have my nails missing, my fake tan isn't on. But I have my Stanley. Okay, I didn't even tell you who we're doing today. We're gonna be Sydney Sweeney today in the Genie body wash commercial. That's what we're doing.
Hello, you dirty little boys. Are you interested in my body wash? Well, you can't have it.
Oh, and I have actual new products to show you. We're not using the same shit over and over again. Hallelujah, praise the Lord. Today, we're gonna be using not all new products. I only had like $20. We're using some dollar store makeup today. This shirt is gonna have to be cut off of me when I go to take it off. I just wanted to show you guys, but like I don't want to get makeup on it later. I'm just gonna like cut it off the back of me like a Barbie doll. In my heart of hearts, I am blonde. I am the Cher Clueless doll, still in the box. I am Kate Upton performing Baby One More Time on Lip Sync Battle. That's who I am. Wait, let me show you guys. Let me show you guys what I got yesterday. Okay. We're gonna have a glow up because I bought tan and I bought hair dye. This morning I had to go buy more of this. My gym class starts on Wednesday, so my upper body is tan and then my legs aren't because I think that's a waste of money because I'd never show my legs to anybody. And my mom used to use this in the 2000s and she swore by it. And I think it's gonna do really, really well on top of my tanner. It's super, hold on, let me show you guys. Okay, it probably doesn't show up very well, but if you look at the top of my arm, right, and then look at the bottom of my arm, there is a difference in color. See, this scary ice cream truck is here. So bad, this is so bad, this is so bad. Okay, so the reason, okay, here's the thing. People tell me I look like Britney Spears, Sydney Sweeney. I actually don't look like any of these like famous model-esque women. It is the fact that our eyes go completely straight, if not down. Like our eye line goes down. We have like sad puppy dog eyes. We all have very, I mean, Ana de Armas has big lips, but we all have very middle lips. So what I'm saying is we all have pretty mid facial features. So personally, I love this Dr. Squatch ad that she's in. I thought it was genius. I thought, oh my gosh, we're bringing back like Playboy type marketing and stuff like that, because y'all know I love Playboy. Now, because she's blonde, she kind of has a lighter eyebrow than me. I really did like this makeup look because typically Sydney Sweeney wears extremely light makeup, so whenever I see her in eyeliner, I'm blown away. She's beautiful without makeup. Bro, those are the fucking ice cream trucks that had people going crazy on TikTok in 2021 because somebody recorded one and it was like in the middle of the woods and it went, hello, and it was playing music and everybody thought it was like a sex trafficking thing. She was wearing like not super dark makeup, but she had this like warm nude on for a lipstick, and then she had a gray blue eyeshadow. So I wanted to try and recreate it. Now, I personally loved this ad, as I said before, but I didn't know, I don't know, I just don't think, not to be like I'm not like other girls, but honest to God, I didn't think it was gonna piss so many people off. Like, we're still in 1999. Women thinking it was like the end of feminism for her to do this ad.
You look stupid.
No, you look stupid.
You look really stupid.
Yeah, oh, okay. Yeah, oh, okay. I see all these things on my page and it's like, what, I love Sabrina Carpenter, but hate Sydney Sweeney. I want to kill Sydney Sweeney. I wish Sydney Sweeney was dead. For women. For feminism. I hate this woman for feminism. Same thing I said about Tara Yummy. where it's like, y'all just repeat history over and over again. Oh, this is the Dollar Tree contour, by the way. It's nearly like a contour bronzer, and I was really interested in it. It's obviously a Charlotte Tilbury knockoff. It's really easy to apply, far easier than the Fenty knockoff from Shein. I almost feel like I can actually bring it up to my forehead without it being super patchy. Very, very bronzy. It is a candlelit room in the ad, but for the most part, she herself is very tan. Okay, following the trend, I put too much on. Great. Wow, and the color didn't disappear as well. That's an issue I had with their blush, but I understand it was also trying to be as sheer as the Charlotte Tilbury, and it just ended up like disappearing. I look so pale. I really like this contour. Oh my god, you've been missing from my life. I love this Dollar Tree contour. When it comes to stealing flows, these birds is fluent, but they stutter when they ask about the queen's influence. I already got something on my shirt. Oh my god. My song right now is No Frauds by Nicki Minaj. Thanks for asking. I don't want to check bitches, tell them where they Nikes. Nobody is gonna keep me on this bar. She is very like, I don't know if in the ad she was very like blushy. Right where my face would like naturally get really red. I hate this light. Why is it making me gray? I really wanted to look really tan. I don't look tan at all. Y'all know that little group for like the elite kids? What is it called? Le Bal de Battante? Just wait, bitch. I'm gonna get in. I still got a year. I've been far too nice. I really need to reread American Psycho. I read it every summer so I can like try and motivate my skinny and try and motivate like my skincare and like just like, I don't know, it just like helps me focus on myself more when I like read people that are like, you know, kind of like me. Me and Mass were in her car. It was like 8 p.m. We were at Walmart and we're driving out of the Dollar Tree and there's a Anytime Fitness. I'm getting chills up and down my spinal cord. We look over because it's dark, so you know when it's dark they can like, you can like see in, right? Because it's like limo tinted. Well, I just have to see his silhouette. Like I see his hair, like I see like his little hair follicles, and I see like his little chiseled face, but you know I just have to see the silhouette, and I'm like, oh, I literally screamed at the top of my lungs. I can't repeat it. And she was like on the car, right? And I was like, I just seen the finest man I ever seen in my life. I ever seen in Nantucket, bro. She roll down the window. Thank God that she didn't like yell or say anything. He wouldn't have been able to hear it, but like thank God she didn't say anything because I just rolled down the window. And like we were right there. Like we were like right there. Literally when I saw him, I went, because I didn't want him to see my ugly ass. He was so fine. He was so fine. And he wasn't like 40 years old either, which is like usually like usually what You know what wasn't a flop? I got my favorite NYX lip liner. They seem to have like the most, I buy the e.l.f. ones too. Those are really good, but I just always search for that perfect nude, and so far this is the perfect nude. It's nude beige. That is my color. I like how it's like dark as shit in here, so we're like having a sleepover. Last night I took out what is pretty much every nude lipstick I have. Looked and I looked and I looked, and the color that won was, you can't see it, the shade Doll Face. The shade Doll Face by Too Faced. But I hate the taste and smell, but I was just like, just be a big girl and wear the lipstick. Okay, I look crazy as shit right now. I look like Kim off the front, and then the lip, like that's to make it more satisfying. Okay, I think we're gonna use the Sunset Stripped palette. I get these palettes from the Dollar Tree as well, and they're kind of shit. Like they're kind of bad. The fallout is insanely terrible. My issue with her makeup is that she almost never wears winged eyeliner, and I think that's the only thing that kind of saves my face. Now if I'm wrong about this like blue that I saw in this ad, it's gonna be really embarrassing. and it smells horrible. Could always smell it on my face when I would wear this. Oh my god, I look like somebody's fucking alcoholic mom. Liner was like blended out. I talked Jakaria into going to the movies with me. Not talked her into like I'm kidnapping her. And I literally I saw this ad and I was like, okay, we have to go see it. I don't care. We both like horror movies, right? And so it's like probably the only genre we can watch together. It's also the funnest genre to watch in a theater. She doesn't know. But from what I gathered from this ad is that this is a freaky horror movie. Like, this is for the freaks. This looks stupid as hell. I look like one of those people that don't believe in eyeliner. So Art Deco out on the floor. Really buff out that paint. She was so tan. I'm so jealous.
Okay, so this is how it turned out in the end, in the actual daylight instead of that light.
I don't usually smudge my eyeliner, so it's kind of like cool to see it with like the blue gray. When I went to Target, there was like a bunch of emo people there. They all had like dyed hair and like cargo pants and like anime t-shirts. They were like buying their like $38 band t-shirts, you know? Extremely alternative.
I'm telling you, if you're blonde, it won't work on me, I won't have a boyfriend until I'm 38, but if you're blonde and you do this, your man will love you.
Sydney Sweeney, honest to God, gives me hope for downturned eyes. Let me tell you, the revelation I had when I realized when somebody was like, Marilyn Monroe has downturned eyes. There's no amount of makeup you can put on to change, unless I like get like lashes like put in. There's nothing you can really do to change the shape of your face, and it just upset me so much because I would always look at myself and think that was one thing I would definitely change would be my eye shape. They're too big. But when you look at people like Sydney Sweeney and Marilyn Monroe, of course I'm not Marilyn Monroe or Sydney Sweeney, but when you look at them, it kind of makes it easier to see how somebody could possibly look good with big eyes.
I meant it when I said that in my heart of hearts, I am a blonde with tan skin who never has to wear makeup. That's who I am on the inside. And I work every day to get there, okay?
I think with Pamela Anderson and Angelina Jolie, because Pamela Anderson had a big forehead and nobody talked about it. I look at her and I'm like, we see each other. Because girl, she had a big forehead. I don't say that to be mean. I say it as in like thank you for giving me hope. Nobody is ever like, oh, Pamela Anderson has a big forehead and she's beautiful, like the way they say about Angelina Jolie. Nobody, but I see her. Look, that's how I would look. Like Jenna Ortega. Me sneaking into the Scream 7 audition. Okay, go to Walmart and get this shirt because it's literally Katie from Mean Girls. You took me down, but you didn't finish me off. My name. Guys, do you actually like it? Be honest. It's all I can do! No, I think I need a cooler shade. Because I've seen a bunch of people saying, like, do not wear a warm blush and then have everything else in your face be cool toned. So, like that's why your makeup isn't matching.
I'm going to say it a little later up here, but this is genuinely the most early Trisha Paytas makeup I could have ever done.
Sure is so Britney Spears. Hold on. Oh, baby, how was I supposed to know that something wasn't right? Yeah. Beautiful. Okay. This is also Trisha Paytas makeup. This is literally Trisha Paytas makeup. Yeah. Double-edged sword, bitch. It's called double threat. I can be your Sydney or your Trisha. You pick. The outcome is your choice. Everybody on my last video was like, are we surprised that James Franco was like on the Diddy list? And to that I say, yes, I knew nothing about him, and generally I just trust hot people.
I generally think my thumbnails have been so ass lately. I was trying so hard to get a thumbnail here that would actually work.
This video idea literally came to me last night.
It came out pretty good though. I totally thought I was gonna mess this like up completely, but I like it.
I look like a rejected Kardashian.
The jump scare of my boobs, like the actual like jump cut to them, like again, like back up, like get away from me.
I wish I could just do my old thumbnails where it was just like a photo of my face. Kind of looks like Lindsay Lohan too. Like this is the hair up. It's like not good. That's the Sydney Sweeney makeup, okay? If you don't fuck with it, you don't fuck with it. Oh my god, I look so trailer park. Thank you for watching. Thank you for... We're Team Sydney Sweeney. We're Team Sydney Sweeney. Thank you for watching. I have 20 minutes before the Fent kicks in. I've actually 5 minutes. Subscribe. I wouldn't like the video, but I wouldn't, and dislike this video because I know I sure did.